Here the question is to answer the following using proper reasons. The first one is a polymer is given and we need to predict whether this is a homopolymer or copolymer. A homopolymer is a polymer formed from only one type of monomer unit. All the repeating units in a homopolymer are identical. So here we could see this is a type of homopolymer because it contains only one type of monomer, and the formula for this monomer can be represented as NHCHRCO. The second one is PVC is a condensation or addition polymer. Condensation polymers are formed through a condensation reaction where two monomers combines with a loss of small molecules like water, HCl or methanol. And these polymers usually contains the functional groups like hydroxyl group, carboxylic group or amino group. They will react to produce the polymer chain. So here PVC is a type of addition polymer and they are produced from the monomer vinyl chloride, and the structure of PVC can be represented as the given. And the third one is bakelite a thermoplastic or thermosetting plastic? A thermoplastic is a type of polymer that becomes irreversibly hard and rigid when heated and cured. Once it is set, it cannot be remelted or reshaped by heating. This is due to the formation of strong cross links between the polymer chains during the curing process. Now let's come to the polymer given here, bakelite. This is a best example for thermosetting polymer. They are widely used in electrical switches and they are commonly used in products that need to withstand heat and retain their shape like electrical components and cookware.